Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. What are we talking about in today's video? Smartphones. Yes, this is considered an old school smartphone. I'm not talking about the old school Blackberries or the iPhones of the world. I'm literally talking about foldable smartphones in 2019. If you guys have never heard of them, we're going to roll the intro right now, and then we're going to get into what foldable smartphones are, and are they something that we actually really even need? So guys, we're back, and do you guys think foldable smartphones is something that we really need? Because the industry is saying that every phone's looking the same. It's just a rectangle slab with glass and a high resolution screen. And basically, smartphones have plateaued with their design. Like, no other design could come from what a smartphone is. It's basically a 5-inch screen, 7-inch screen, that's 4K, and it's very high resolution, and it shoots very high quality videos. So, what do you guys really think of this? Is it something that you really are like clamming for? Is it something you didn't even know about? Or is this just something you're like, damn, a foldable phone? I can see the reasons behind it. Because you got to look at it this way, guys. These were the kings. Because when I was in college, I'd be walking around with one of these, and I'd have girls, guys, like, what is that? What kind of phone is that? And I would explain to them what it is, and they're like, damn, that's awesome, a Blackberry? Wow. And now, people are like, why do you got a Blackberry? Like, it's garbage to have one of these, because everybody wants the bigger displays, because the bigger display, the better it is for watching videos and multimedia. That's what smartphones are. So that's kind of why I assume they want to do these foldable smartphones, because the bigger display would make it easier to consume YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, and all these streaming services that is out there. Because on something like this, is it really enjoyable to watch a YouTube video? Not really. Like a 3x2 screen? No, the bigger the display, the more immersed you feel, and the more pleasure you get out of watching that content. Like on my Samsung phone, I'd rather watch it on my Samsung phone than watch it on this, because the Samsung phone is a 5.7 inch quad HD display, so you're getting 2K resolution, and the image quality is phenomenal. So if you have like an iPhone 6, 6 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, any modern smartphone, you know when you watch YouTube videos, it's a lot more enjoyable than watching it like on a flip phone or something like an old school Blackberry like this. So I think that's the main reason why they want to make these foldable displays. But do you guys think they look cool in the images that I have been popping up on the screen? Or do you guys think, nah, that's kind of lame? So let me know in the comment section below, do you think this is a very good thing that the cell phone industry is going for? A foldable smartphone? So basically what I assume they're going for is the ability to take your like 5-inch cell phone and fold it out. Like you would actually fold it out to a mini tablet. So you would have a full on like 7-inch tablet. Because you guys gotta remember what smartphones were back in the day were these things. These were considered smartphones back in the day. Yeah, this might be a very small phone, fits right in my hand. It was a old school Blackberry, and the reason why a lot of people love the old school Blackberries are, and that is what everybody liked about it, is the full physical keyboard. Because you got to think about it this way, guys. Back in 2009, 2010, no one ever thought of smartphones as anything different than just what a Blackberry was. Everybody was like, hey, we want that full physical QWERTY keyboard because we could type out long emails and long text messages, and full touchscreen phones back in those days were very, very laggy, not great. You'd have to really press hard on them, or you'd have to use a stylus to actually use the full touchscreen experience. And when the iPhone came out, it changed the game. Everybody was like, damn, this is what smartphones should be. This is what cell phones need to be. And ever since the iPhone came out, every manufacturer got away from making keyboard phones and started making full on great touchscreens, because that's what the general public started to like, because the iPhone was the first real modern smartphone, because these are more like PDAs, a personal data device, instead of a full-on smartphone like we see it these days. Because yes, you can still go surfing the web with these, you can still do minor things, but the screens were so small, the software wasn't that great, the apps weren't really there, and these were just a flash in the pan. Because if I pull these out nowadays, people are like, a BlackBerry? But in 2008, 2009, these were the kings of smartphones. Everybody wanted one, everybody had one. It was the way to surf the web. And when the iPhone came out, these were basically wiped off the planet, because they're like, oh, that's stupid. We don't need that. We want a big display with a full physical keyboard. No, we want a big display with a nice touchscreen so we can watch YouTube videos and do other things. I know what you guys think. But my name is Trevor. As always, remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh, and just remember, I'm gonna just start uploading a lot of content to this channel, keeping it growing. And it's not just gonna be vlogs, it's gonna be just whatever I have to talk about, because I want to grow this channel, and just talking about topics that I'm very interested in is what's going to keep this channel growing, because I like a lot of different topics, from music to vlogging to technology and pretty much everything in between. So as always, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm Trevor, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.